welcome to my channel. Well guys, Mahalia Buchanan is officially off the market. The television presenter and singer said to the love of her life when in a beautiful white wedding ceremony on Tuesday, which was the 20th of September 2022. Mahalia looked breathtaking in her exquisite wedding gown designed by the one and only Roberto Oscald. The celebrity fashion designer posted a video of the wedding with the caption, "In my destination wedding for the year." Guys, the wedding took place at the luxurious Spanish farm guest lodge in Cape Town. Guys, Mahalia was so beautiful, and we would like to say congratulations to her. This is so beautiful, and we wish nothing but the best on their union. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure that you do the right thing by commenting, sharing, subscribing, liking this video, and most importantly, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on anything that I am going to upload next on this channel. Bye.